Continuing with the last lecture, how to find u. For u, the formula is u is equal to x minus x naught upon h. So what is the value of x here? So the value of x which is given in the question, that is the required value of x, for which we have to find the value of y. So what is the value of x? We have to find the first term. First term means here x equal to 1. So take x equal to 1 here. So what is the value of x naught in this example? The meaning of x naught in previous example is, or we are taken the values of x naught in previous examples as the value of x which is previous to this required value of x. So if value of x is 2, then x naught is 1. We have to take the previous value of x as x naught. But in this example, when we take x equal to 1, the value of x here as 1, the value of x naught, for finding the value of x naught, there is no any previous term to this value of x, that is the value of x is 1. So there is no any number before or previous to this x equal to 1. So in such case, we have to take the its next number for putting the value of x naught. That is, if we take x equal to 1 and there is no any previous number to find the value of x naught, so take next number as x naught, that is take x naught equal to 3. So here x is 1, no any previous number, so take x naught equal to next number as 3, that is x naught equal to 3. H is difference between any two successive values, h is equal to 1, so we get u equal to minus 2. Prepare the Newton's forward difference table and find the value of y at x equal to 1, that is find f of 1 by putting x equal to 1 in the formula. And take delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta raised to 4 y naught as the first circled numbers. You can prepare this table. In next example, the data is given as some sine angle values are given there, and we have to find sine 52. That is, here the function is sine function. So whatever the angles are here, 45 degree, 50, 55, 60, these are the values of x. These are the values of x, and the right side is the values of y. So this is the value of x naught, x1, x2, x3. These values are for y naught, y1, y2, y3. And you have to find sine 52, and 52 lies in between 50 to 55. So use Newton's forward difference formula and put x equal to 52 in the formula and find f of 52. F of 52 means sine 52 degree. Next method is Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. That is, the first two methods are same for the same condition, that is Lagrange's interpolation formula and Newton's divided difference formula. These two formulae are used for finding values of y when the values of x are not equally spaced. Then the third method we have studied, that Newton's forward difference interpolation, Newton's forward difference formula. In this formula is used when the required value of x is lying at the beginning only. So use forward difference formula. So next one is Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. This formula is again used for when values of x are equally spaced, and this formula is used when the required value of x which is lying at the end of the values of x. So Newton's backward difference interpolation table is the values of x are these are the values of x, then values of y are these, and for forward difference table we use the notation delta, and for backward difference we use the notation del. So this is the del notation, that is reverse of delta for forward difference table and del for backward difference table. So these are the notations for preparing the table. What is the table for backward difference formula? So in forward difference formula we are starting from this we are starting the by taking the difference from the first value, but in backward difference table we have to start by taking the difference from the end. That is, in forward difference we have start from first value to last value, and in backward difference table we have to start from end value to and go to first value. So this is the only difference in two tables. So what is the table? So these are the x values, these are the y values. So take the difference. So first the difference as del y. So y4 minus y3, then y3 minus y2, y2 minus y1, y1 minus y0. Then del square y table is, or this column is d minus c, c minus b, b minus a. Del q y difference is q minus f, f minus e, and del raised to 4y difference is g minus I. Just we have to start by taking these differences or these subtractions from end value to the start value, and in forward we are starting from the first value and goes to end value. So this is your table and this is your formula. Formula is y equal to fx equal to yn plus u del yn plus u plus 1 by 2 factorial del square yn plus u plus 1 u plus 2 by 3 factorial del cube yn, and etc. Where u is equal to x minus xn upon h, where x is the required value of x for which we have to find the value of y, and xn is the next value or next nearest value of x to the required value of x. So this is the table and this is the formula. Let us see one example. As the forward difference table or in forward difference point, we have studied one example. This example, this same example we can take for Newton's backward difference formula. So this table gives the height and distance by notation x and y. So here in forward difference point we have find the value of we have to find the value of y at x equal to 218 feet. So 218 is the value of x lies at the beginning. Now this example is same we can see for Newton's backward formula. That is, same example is asked for at x for finding value of y at x equal to 410. So this x equal to 410 lies at the end, that is after 400. So we have to ask the value of y at the end point of x. So use Newton's backward formula. So this is your table for backward difference table. So take these values of x, 100 to 400, 100 to 400, then values of y from 10.63 to 1.27, 10.62 to 1.27. So prepare the table as start from the end point, that is this value minus this, we get 1.37. So 19.90 minus 18.42 gives 1.48, 80.42 minus 16.81 gives 1.61, 16.81 minus 15.04 gives 1.77, 15.04 minus 13.03 gives 2.01, 13.03 minus 10.63 gives 2.4. In such way that we can calculate del square, del cube, del raised to 4, del raised to 5, del raised to 6. So this table goes up to del raised to 6 as the numbers are bigger. So this table goes to del raised to 6. So we have to apply the formula up to del raised to 6. So what is the value of u? So u equal to x minus xn upon h. H value is difference between two values is 50. So h value is 50. Then what is the value of x? We have to ask the value of y at x equal to 410. So this is the value of x here. And what is the value of xn? In forward difference formula, the value of u is, or the formula of u is x minus x naught upon h. But in backward formula, we have to take the end point, or we are discussing with the end points. So the formula is changed. So u equal to x minus xn upon h. So what is the value of x here? 410. And what is the value of xn? In forward formula, when we use u equal to x minus x naught upon h, this formula, in this formula, the value of x naught is what? Which is previous to this value of x. That value of x is, we have to take as x naught. X naught means the value of x which is previous to x. But in backward formula or backward type examples, xn value means what? Which is next number or next value of x to this x. That is, xn means the value which is next to x value. So x value is 410. So what is the next number of 410? So there is no any number, as it is non-tabular value, or which is not in the table. X is equal to 410. 410 lies at this position. So in such type, we have to take whatever the value exists in that table. So as we have taken x equal to 410, so there is no any next number in this table. So we have to take existed value nearest to this 410, that is 400. So take xn equal to 400. So the value of u is 0.2. Then in the formula, we have to use yn value. Yn value means end value. End value is 21.27. Then what is the values of what are the values of del yn, del square yn? So these are the circled values are the values of, this is values of yn, this value is of del yn, del square yn, del cube yn, del raised to 4 yn, del raised to 5 yn, del raised to 6 y. So this is your formula, and we have put all the values of u, yn value is this, and all the del values of this in the formula, and after simplifying by using calc, we get the answer. Next example, this, which is same as 10th example of previous Newton's forward point. That is, this is the your example, and if let us consider as, if u1 equal to 40, u3 equal to 45, u5 equal to 54, find in backward point find u4. So here we have to take x values as 1, 3, 5, and here we have to find u4. So we have to find f of 4. So here these circled values are for x, that is x values are 1, 3, 5, and y values are the right side numbers, that is 40, 45, 54. X values are 1, 3, 5, y values are 40, 45, 54, and we have to find u4 means f of 4, that is find the value of y at x equal to 4. So this value of x, that is 4, which lies in between these two numbers 3 and 5. As values of x are 1, 3, 5, the x equal to 4, this value lies in between 3 and 5. So this value lies at the end, hence use backward formula, Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. So for that, what is the value of xn? So xn value is 5. When we calculate value of y at x equal to 4, we have to take xn equal to 5, which is this number 5 which is next to 4. So hence the xn value means while we are using backward formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula, the xn value means what is the value of x? We have to take the next number to that value of x, required value of x. So we have to find the value of y at required value x equal to 4. The next number of 4 is 5. So we have to take xn equal to 5, which is the next number to this 4. So use here x equal to 4, xn equal to 5, yn equal to 54, that is the end value of y, that is 54, and h is equal to 2, that is the difference between two values, 1, 3, 5, 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3 is 2. So here we get h equal to 2 and put all these values in the table by preparing the Newton's backward formula or Newton's backward difference table. We can find u4. So this is your Newton's backward difference example. In Newton's forward formula, the important step is it is easy to prepare the table for as there is a forward formula or backward formula. The table is easy. We have to check or we have to verify which value we have taken for x0 or xn. The x0 meaning is the value of x which is previous to the value of x in the formula of u. Here if this formula is for forward difference x minus x0 upon h, the meaning of x0 is we have to take the value of x0, which value we have to take for x0, the which value of x, which number is previous to this value of x, that value we have to take as x0. And in backward formula, what is the value of xn or what is the meaning of xn? The value of xn means the value of xn is the value which is next to this value of x, that value of x which is next to this value of x, that value we have to take as xn. So xn means next value to this value of x, and x0 means previous to this x value. So this is the difference between forward and backward notation. Thank you.